All right, so to do double crochets, double crochet, you wrap around your hook and then you'll insert it through the stitch. In this case is the center of the loop. Once you go through there, you'll pull another thread through. Now you have the 3. You wrap around. We're going to go through 2. And you're going to wrap around and go through the other 2. That is a double crochet.